When it comes to creating customer profiles in GlassPack LX, the first thing I want to point out is that there's two finders in here. One is for customers and one says insurance maintenance. The reason the insurance companies are kept in a separate finder has to do with the EDI system. So let's just jump in and make a customer here so we can see how that's done. Create new customer. Let's say this is my enterprise account. Need to select a type. I'm going to call this a fleet customer. And I'm going to jump down to the billing information. If the work's always going to be done at the same place, for a certain customer, you could click this copy button, and that will copy the billing information over to this shipping area, meaning that's where the work will be done, like that. Unless it's a fleet customer, you probably wouldn't do that. And I'm going to throw in a phone number here. In the accounting section here, you'll decide if this will be a cash account or an open item account. The difference will be in the behavior of the application at the time of invoicing. If it's a cash account, when you invoice that work order, it will ask payment information, payment type, payment amount. If it's an open item account, it will not ask that at the time of the invoicing. It will just let you print the invoice, assuming that you'll be taking a payment later in your QuickBooks or Great Plains, something like that. Right here is where you're going to put your external accounting ID. This has to do with the integration with your accounting program. So let's say I use QuickBooks. And that's what I call enterprise in my QuickBooks program. And this will just be QB for QuickBooks. I'm going to set a terms code here. And now the accounting section is taken care of. I'm not going to go into everything you see here, but I will point out that in a lot of these fields, if you just place your cursor there and press F1 on your keyboard, it will take you to the appropriate help files. If the customer is tax exempt, you would enter their tax exemption ID right here. Number 1 is for state, number 2 is for federal. And the fact that there's any value at all in these fields will make any orders you do for that customer be tax exempt. It won't charge taxes on those orders. Now if we save this, we have an enterprise rent-a-car account. So your next video will be the discount setup, which will show you how to create the discount and link that to this profile.